Hello, this is Calvin Mata. I'm showing you my code for this week. So first of all, it's gonna. Do you wanna look for a file? Say yes. What is the file name or under the language? JSON. And then what you're looking for? C. And it tells me we found C in your user file. Do you want to look up for a different file? You do yes. So do you want to look up for files? Yes. What file? Countries. We're gonna do Venezuela. Say we found Venezuela in your country. You wanna look for file? You say yes. You say yes, and then you go onto the trivial. And you look for trivial. And then found trivial. You're gonna do yes. And you're gonna look for the empty file. And this is empty. You're gonna say your file is empty. If you say no, so you're looking for file not found. So you're looking for file not. Yes.